this video, I will show you how to crochet a bow. First, create a slip knot. And then crochet a foundation chain. This one I need a foundation chain 91. Yarn over, pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep repeating this process until you have chain 91. So this one after I have the chain 91, and then we will start to crochet the bow. This one I will insert into the 4th chain from hook. First, second, third, and 4th, yarn over, insert into the 4th chain from hook. Now 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops left. There you go. And keep repeating this process. We call double crochet. 2, 3, 4. Keep repeating this process until you have 15 double crochets. Now I have 15 double crochets, and then I will crochet 6 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I need to crochet 20 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Keep repeating this until you have 20 double crochets. Now I have 20 double crochets, and then next crochet 6 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next, you also repeat from this process. Next will be 20 double crochets, 6 slip stitches, and then 15 double crochets, same as this one. Keep repeating. So this one I have finished. 15 double crochets. So this 20. So this one the same. 15 double crochets. And this one 6 slip stitches. And then next I will turn the work and crochet in the opposite direction. Chain 1, 2, 3, and then a slip stitch. Next, crochet chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then crochet double crochet in the same double crochet here. 1, 2, and 3. So this one we will crochet the same. So this one 15, and then 6 slip stitches. 26, 26, and then 15 until the end. So this is the result after I complete. And then before complete, we need to crochet chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then a slip stitch. There you go. and then cut the yarn off. Weave in all ends. After I finished, I will find the middle. The middle part is here, and this one together, and this one together. And then we will use the yarn to wrap around in the middle. Now I have finished with the bow, and then I will attach to the clip or the hair tie. So this one I decided not to put the glue on the clip, so I push the clip inside and then wrap around. Now I have finished with the bow, and I hope you enjoy with your lovely bow.